Look at your passport. To you, it's an identity. To the Earth, it's just a piece of paper fueled by thousands of years of bloodshed. From space, there are no lines. No us, no them. Just one lonely rock drifting in a cold, silent void. After 60 million people died in World War II, we almost did it. We almost erased the map to save the species. But the plan failed. We chose our flags over our future. But what if we tried again? Today, right now, one world, one law, one government. Is it our greatest salvation or our final trap? Welcome to Mindbend. Imagine a world where natural disasters aren't a death sentence for the poor. No more waiting for aid. We could heal the planet like a single body. If the lungs of the Earth burn in the Amazon, the whole world breathes for it. We spend billions every day just to protect ourselves from ourselves. 17,000 nuclear warheads waiting for a mistake. With no more wars, that wealth flows into hospitals, Mars colonies, and the end of hunger forever. But every utopia has a shadow. If one person rules the world, what happens when they turn out to be a monster? Remember, the Nazis didn't just want a country. They wanted a global Reich. Genocide, enforced by a single hand. If you lose your rights in a global country, where do you run? There are no borders left to cross for safety. And what about you? Without your culture, your language, your flag. Who are you? Just a number in a database. It sounds perfect on paper. But humans are messy. We are built on stories, and stories need heroes and villains. Maybe it will take an invasion from the stars to make us realize we are one. Or maybe it's already too late. So, would you surrender your freedom for the promise of eternal peace? Think carefully, because once the borders are gone, there's no drawing them back. Subscribe to Mindbend. Don't just watch. Think.